Here to make a bracelet. Then we're going to share with you some chunky size chain. Okay, this one then let's see. Today we show the chunky size chain. Chunky size chain. The price always a little bit high because it's a big one and its design is very nice. Okay, so here we use these uptight beads. Okay, this one can be used for making the charms, or can use it for the beads. Both okay. Here I'm use the flower spacer here. These are the cute flower spacer. And continue use the wire 0.8. This time I'm not much with cover. Not much with cover. We just do it all by the beads. All with the beads. 没有什么 charm. Okay, so here we fold. Make all by the beads and this one, so it come out the different look. Wrapper. So we will be string the beads in advance and let's see. So this kind of the design, if we want to make it faster, we string the spacer here and the beads and the spacer, and again the spacer, the beads, the spacer here, again spacer, beads, spacer. So string the beads first in advance. It's like this here. Okay, then the end we're going to fold it. Thank you, my friends. If you are first time here, thank you to be my friends. Thank you to follow me. Okay, so this way fold and the wrapper tight. Okay, then fold and the wrapper here tight. Here fold and the wrapper and the tight. Cut. So second fold and the tight wrap. Thank you. So this way that can make the wrapper faster and easy. You don't need to always string the beads. We string the beads all in advance. Okay, here and hang on the wrapper. tight here. So you can find that we can finish this bracelet faster. Go to make a bracelet set today. I need to prepare a lot of the free gifts for my customer. And again, yeah, prepare a lot of gifts for my customer here. When customer in my life, you stay in my life streaming together with me for a long time, you will find in my live streaming, I never use any cheap materials or the cheap free gift. Yeah, I'm not give the gift in cheap price or the cheap quality as a free gift. Always the same as what we sell. Same quality as we sell. So the free gift in my live streaming, you can get in a very good piece and all handmade by myself. Here. Here. This one. Thank you. Here. Up. Up. Here. Della, is that a crystal or glass beads? This one, this is the crystal uptight stone here. Thank you. Yes, this way is this tips is good to make it faster. Yeah, this one can be made faster. This is the uptight stone. The price is $14 one piece. Okay, a little bit more. One more beads. 3 millimeter round one. Yeah, this is the big size. This is the 11 millimeter and 8 millimeter. Yeah. Okay, so now here is 7-inch. Size wire is 0.8. Deal 0.8. Here, one piece we done. Okay, then we will